the moment of truth. I told you guys that I was gonna be unboxing these, and I did. Sorry, you couldn't see me unboxing them because fucking every time I go to make a video, someone always interrupts me. So yeah, let's just. I seriously need a place of my own, but yeah, but let's get into it. So fuck this bullshit. So I got these from Livestock Canada. They're on sale right now. Every time they restock, they sell out. So I will leave a link to these in the comment section down below. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Keep supporting. You already know our goal, 200 plus subscribers. We can get there. I today saw that I've been losing subscribers. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I haven't been posting as frequently. I will. It's just, I've been busy with work and I'm going to school also. So, I'm not available all the time, right? So whenever I get time, I try to put out as much content as possible. I was gonna make this video on my DSLR, but my memory card was being weird today and it wasn't working. And I'm trying to figure out iMovie on the MacBook, but it wasn't letting it do anything. So I might need to, which makes no sense because I have a 128 gig brand new SD card. It can't be maxed out already. I bought it a few months back. But yeah, these Air Force Ones were retail 140. They went down to 112. As I said, every time they restock, they sold out. They're anything but hyped. But yeah, I was first off, I've always had good customer experience with Livestock Canada, but what is this? The box is broken. I don't know if it got damaged in the shipping process or what, but this had 5 to 7 business days through FedEx ground shipping, or ground shipping with signature. It was free shipping because, as you know, shipping always is expensive. I think they came from Vancouver because that's where they usually do come from. Yeah, so they were 140 retail. They went down to 112 taxes, and I paid 125. So it's not half bad. They didn't come in your. No, I thought they would come in the traditional Air Force One box, the gray and white box, but it actually came in the black and silver box. Now the colorway says particle pink, and you may have heard me talking about these in my previous videos a few days ago that I was gonna pick these up, and yeah, I've been waiting to unbox them. But all that being said, further ado, let's get into it. Went with my true size. I went size 9. This is my first ever actual size 9. Actually, no. My Nike Lab Air Force Ones were actually size 9, the low tops, but I sold those. So yeah, this is my second size 9 low. It says Air Force One 07 LV8 Suede, size 9, suggested retail 140, particle pink. Now, you got your normal Air Force One wrapping paper in here. There's nothing different. But these are even nicer in person than in pictures. Now, as you know, I've always wanted a pair of Air Force Ones. I've been saying in videos for the longest time that I want a pair of pink Air Force Ones. Well, here they are. I am so amped. These are so nice. First of all, the leather, well, these aren't leather. These are suede. As it says in the title, particle pink, right? Suede. Now, if you want to pick these up, they have them in a kind of a obsidian, kind of navy bluish suede. They also have them in a black suede. Now, the whole upper of the Air Force, as you know, I am a huge Air Force One guy. Air Force Ones have always been my favorite sneaker, and recently Jordan 1s have been my favorite sneaker. But yeah, in the pictures it said that on the insoles it would be engineered for all-day comfort. It had the Ultra Force insoles. As you know, if you've owned Air Force Ones before, their insoles are pretty thick and firm, and they take a while to break in finally and make comfortable. But yeah, you got the thick rope laces right here, color match the sneaker with the color match lace tips. Insole says Nike Air. The whole upper of the sneaker is in this particle pink suede. The swoosh is color matched. Now on the back you got embossed Nike Air logo, which you usually see on most Air Force Ones. Sometimes it's stitched in. Toe box is also in the color match suede. It says AF1 instead of AF182, which it usually does on Air Force Ones. You got the matching patch on the tongue right here. Now, you know I'm a sucker for Air Force Ones with a gum outsole or just a gum bottom in total. So, in general, you got the entire bottom in gum. Now, as you know, gum outsoles are good for one reason. If you're worried about your sneakers getting dirty bottoms, no need to worry with gum outsoles. Gum outsoles won't show any dirt or as much. Like, they won't show any dirt or like anything gross. Like, if you have like a white outsoles or any other color, they, you know, they get pretty disgusting sometimes. Now, I'm gonna have to crep protect these personally because since they're suede, and you know, if you've owned suede sneakers before, if you get them wet, they get pretty trashed, and they look pretty ugly, and they get fucked up pretty bad. So, yeah, like, this, honestly, like, when I first saw pictures of these online, I was like, first I was like, oh man, those are ugly, like, but then I was like, then they kind of grew on me over time. I was like, do you know what, fuck it, if I'm getting them for this price, might as well pull the trigger on them. So yeah, I just had to cop them. Now you may be like, oh Amrit, you were saying you were gonna sell off your entire sneaker collection. Now hear me out, I am selling them off. I'm just waiting for people to buy the rest of them because I've had time wasters and people lowball me and shit, and I don't have time for that. So, you know, but I have sold off most of my collection so far. A little over 10 pairs. I still have a lot more to sell off, but yeah. I am replacing the ones that I don't wear or just never wore with the ones that I will be wearing. Now, the thing with being a sneaker collector, as you know, I've said in my videos in the past, I've always been into fashion and sneakers. Now, the thing with being a sneakerhead and a sneaker collector is people are like, oh, no one needs that many shoes. Okay, yes, no one needs all those shoes, but you don't buy them to wear. Some sneaker collectors and sneakerheads, they double up. They buy one to rock, one to stock. Now, I don't do that. I buy a pair, I rock them, and that's it. I cop them, I collect them, I rock them. They're not there for display pieces. Now, these things will be getting wear during the summer. Now, it's just like the weather that's been going on for the past few days has been really gross. So I don't want to, you know, bring these out in gross type of weather. I don't want to get like mud on these or get them, you know, and wear them out in rain and stuff. But honestly, Nike did a killer job on these. Clean colorway. You executed the quality just absolutely beautifully. And this one, I've ordered sneakers from Livestock Canada multiple times, but this is the first ever time it's come with one of these. Normally their sneakers on the shelves in their stores have these. This says Livestock. It says AF107 LV8 particle pink. And then it says price $140. So nice touch. But as you already know, the deal. Keep it locked. Don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, leave a like, comment section down below if you want to keep seeing more content just like this. I'll be doing an on-foot review of these very soon, so don't forget to watch when I upload that video. But all that being said, further ado, until later, y'all be easy, take care, love you guys with all my heart. I'm in, I'm out, peace. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day. And in the future, if any sneakers want to be sent my way by any brands when we make it big, and any sneaker plugs want to hit me up. I don't have a sneaker plug. I pay for all my sneakers on my own, but if anybody wants to start sending sneakers my way in the future, I'll much appreciate it, and I'll love you, because sneakers are not a cheap hobby. They get expensive, so if you want to start sending me free sneakers, that'd be awesome. I'll really appreciate it. But that was today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. It'll be up in, please make sure to be up in the Kicks crew. But I'm out. Peace. Bye.